Let's first turn our attention to that wonderful hit, The Sound of Music. In the scene you're about to see, Maria, in brackets, Director of Sales Development Peter Nankervis, has taken the Von Trapp family, in brackets, office and warehouse staff at Mary Kay, out into the hills for a picnic, to explain to them the benefits of joining Mary Kay. Maria for many years had remained at the monastery because of the fear of being teased about her facial hair, but on signing her beauty agreement with Mary Kay, everything changed. Her skin improved, her confidence grew, and now she wanted to tell everybody about this opportunity and what it had done for her. Let's head off and see what's happening at the picnic.
Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you sing, you begin with
A, B, C.
When you sell, you begin with Do for me.
Do for me.
Do for me. The first three words just happen to be Do for me.
Do for me.
Do for me and the company. Dough is what I make from sales. Ray, my husband, is so proud. Me and you will have some fun. Far success is not that far. So we'll hold another class. La, our records will surpass. T will win with Mr. D. That will bring us in more dough. Ho, ho, ho.
Dough.
Is what I make from sales.
Hey.
My husband is so proud.
Me.
And you will have some fun. Success is not that far. So we'll hold another class. La, our records will surpass. T will win with Mr. D. That will bring